You think AI is thinking? You're wrong. Dead wrong. It's a pattern-matching parrot on steroids, and it's running your life. Let's break that illusion, shall we? AI isn't intelligent. It's predictable. Predictable because it's built on our past. Every click, every search, every hesitation before scrolling past a post, it all feeds into a system that doesn't think, doesn't reason, but calculates. AI is a mirror reflecting our own data back at us, amplified. You're not interacting with a mind. You're interacting with a ghost of data past, and that ghost is writing your future. Think about it. The recommendations on your YouTube homepage, the way Netflix knows exactly what show to serve up next, the eerily relevant ads that seem to read your thoughts, none of it is intuition. It's probability. Your phone isn't smart. It's just been trained on your behavior so well that it feels like it is. Your habits, your preferences, your biases, they create a digital fingerprint, and AI follows it like a bloodhound. AI doesn't invent, it regurgitates. It doesn't create, it predicts. The words you see on your screen when using ChatGPT, they aren't thought up by AI. They are the most statistically probable combination of words based on all the data it has absorbed. It's a supercharged game of autocomplete, running at speeds so fast it seems like intelligence. But it's not thinking, it's just really, really good at guessing what should come next. Forget the term neural networks. That makes it sound sophisticated, even mystical. Think of it instead as connect the dots on steroids. AI isn't performing brain surgery, it's performing data surgery, cutting, stitching, rearranging bits of information in the way that's most likely to fit the pattern. When it recommends a song, it's not because it knows what you like. It's because it has seen 1,000 people like you enjoy the same song before. Your taste isn't unique. It's predictable. And that's the game. Predictability is power. AI doesn't just suggest, it shapes. ChatGPT, Google, Netflix, TikTok. These aren't passive tools. They don't just react to you. They engineer your choices. They sculpt your worldview. Every time you engage with an AI-powered system, you reinforce its understanding of what keeps you hooked. You're not just a user. You're training the system to manipulate you more effectively. And that should make you pause. This isn't paranoia, it's reality. AI is trained on us, and we are flawed. The biases in our world, racism, sexism, economic inequality, are deeply embedded in our data. So when AI learns, it learns our flaws too. Bias in, bias out. It's not that AI is evil, it's that AI is a mirror, a reflection of us, unfiltered, amplified, and automated at scale. And if we don't actively correct it, we are letting our past mistakes shape our future decisions. Self-driving cars, AI-powered medical diagnoses, algorithmic hiring, these things are coming fast. Faster than most people realize. And if we don't take control of how these systems are built, we'll be living in a world run by machines that don't understand us, trained on data that misrepresents us, making decisions that affect every part of our lives. Imagine an AI deciding who gets a job interview, who qualifies for a loan, who gets access to life-saving treatments, all based on patterns it learned from a broken world, a world that we didn't fix before we let machines automate it. This isn't just a conversation about technology. It's a conversation about power. Who controls the data? Who writes the algorithms? Who decides what gets optimized and what gets ignored? AI isn't an independent force, it's a tool, and tools serve the hands that wield them. Right now, that power is concentrated in a small number of tech companies and governments. The question isn't whether AI will change the world, it's who gets to decide how it changes. So don't just watch this video, don't just comment, think. Ask yourself, who benefits from the AI-driven world we're building? Who gets left behind? And what are you going to do about it? Because the future isn't something happening to you. You're building it, whether you realize it or not. Is AI a tool or a tyrant? That answer is up to us. Hit like if you're ready to wake up, subscribe if you want to understand the code, and share this because this isn't just about tech. This is about the future of everything. Now go make some noise.